Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grichova. I'm an investment advisor and I work with extremely rich people. Today I would like to tell you more about the power of personal brand. Nowadays, social media and internet play an essential role in the life of the majority of us. And there are those who follow specialists that they have already know in a person, and there are those who look for professionals using social media too. And our goal is to increase the opportunities to earn money and attract attention of potential clients and current clients too. If we talk about my expertise and experience, I can tell you that even like very rich people can have accounts on different platforms, and if you do everything correctly, if you show such people your valuables, your way of life, your opportunities, then they will contact you and start working more, or to start working firstly. Building a personal brand, it is like building a reputation online. So, one story. I go to the swimming pool and there is one man. He has top position in one of banks in our country, and he is much older than I. And when we discussed this theme, I explained him my point of view the same way as I tell it now to you. So he really didn't understand why he needs social media to earn a lot of money. And the idea is that if your profession is related to working with clients, then you should know how to attract attention of them in a more effective way. And some decades ago, it didn't work such way. But evolution, economic growth, and the development of people influence the approach to your work. I really think that it is quite clear idea that if something didn't work that time, it doesn't mean that if you continue doing what worked that time, then you will become successful now. It is not a great approach. And so I explained him what it means to build a personal brand online. He has his reputation. He know how to show his way of living. In reality, even if it doesn't work like this, so he can tell you one thing but do everything otherwise. And I know that a lot of people who have great positions, they are not so sincere. They have masks and show only that things that the society want to see from them and what they want to be thinked about. And so, in reality, social media can help you to build this image much faster, effective, and better. Because when you communicate with a person only personally, you are not able to communicate with like 1,000 people at the same time. So your time is limited, and if you have some character, like image of you, it will be very difficult to tell about this to so many people. So even here, after so many years of work in top position of bank, is not so understandable for the majority of people. So there is only small percentage of those with whom he really communicate on a regular basis. And so he has his reputation, that he has children, that he is well, he's a very good husband, that he has great ideas that is accepted by bank and the society. And this is his reputation. So a lot of people, adult people, successful people, understand what reputation means. But it is quite difficult for them to understand how it works in the world of online. And in reality, building a personal brand is the same as building reputation, but online. When you show your life from that part that you want, when you tell people about your opportunities, when they follow your life and think about your valuables better. And actually, if we talk about sales, when a client look at you on a regular basis, he thinks about you more often. And if you show everything correctly, then this client will want to communicate with you more, even in a professional way. So very often people pay attention to the personality of a salesman. So we can think that work is this, personality is here, but in reality it is like a such aspect. So according to my experience, clients who gave you deals, money, they trust you. And trust comes not from the professionalism, but also from your personal criteria of your character. And if you use different platforms like social media and also messengers, for example, if your clients don't have accounts in Instagram or Facebook, they have WhatsApp, Telegram, and all these messengers. They are a bit similar to social media, and when you know the approach of building a personal brand, it is not difficult for you to understand the platform itself. So this is not about posting only content. It is like thinking about your image, about your character, and build a reputation online. How we build this reputation? We show some situations from our life. We tell people about something that has happened with asked previously. So there are a lot of aspects about which I tell more in my social media, but you should understand that nowadays any specialist should have great like thoughtful image, and it is like a constructed public image that you should show in your social media too, on the internet, on the website. And more often you have touch with your potential clients or your current clients, the more possibility that this person will come you back, will give you more money and something like that. So you build personal brand to motivate a person to communicate with you more, to trust you, and it is like a psychological hack that when a person look at you on a regular basis, he trusts you more. If we talk about my life, for example, when I had vlogs as a hobby, I posted a lot of content for students of my university. And it was really, really interesting when I faced people who was my followers and who thought and who started talking with me as they are my friends. So you feel this kind of energy. And what is more, when you build your personal brand correctly, you motivate people to initiate work. So you don't initiate this work, they want to go with you and to be with you. And when this aspect is like this, so when people initiate the conversation by himself, then the deal becomes easier. You feel more comfortable as a salesman, as a professional, and your business grow faster. And so there are a lot of benefits that bring you personal brand. I highly recommend you to use social media and other platforms to communicate with your clients and to attract attention of new clients. People choose not only specialists, they choose a person. And when you show people that you have children, for example, or other aspects about which I can tell you more in the next video, this person think that you have some valuables, and it really it really improve your work with this person. And so I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.